Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 operating system. So I'm going to show you few different ways in which you can find your network security key or your Wi-Fi password. The first method will work if you are currently connected to the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to show you how you can find the Wi-Fi password of the Wi-Fi you are currently connected to. And in the second method, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Wi-Fi password if you have ever connected your Windows 11 with some Wi-Fi and you forgot the password, right? So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to click on the search option and then search for control panel here, and then click on control panel, and then just select view by category here, and then click on network and internet. Okay, so once you click on network and internet, this window will open. Click on network and sharing center, and it's going to show you the Wi-Fi network you are connected to right now. Okay, so when I click on this Wi-Fi option here, you can see I'm connected to this Wi-Fi network, which is also shown here. Okay, so I want to find out the network security key or the password of this network. So I can just click on this option here and then click on wireless properties and then click on security. This network security key is your current Wi-Fi password for this network, which is this one. So in order to view this, you just need to click on show characters and you will be able to see your Wi-Fi password here. So this is the Wi-Fi password you are currently connected to. So you can copy this password and then use it anywhere else. Now this was the first method. Now let me show you the second method, in which if you have forgotten all your Wi-Fi password and if you have connected to some Wi-Fi previously and you don't know the password now, how you can recover all the previously connected Wi-Fi password, let's see. This involves command prompt, but the commands are so simple that you can easily do it. So for this, what you need to do is, let me show you the Wi-Fi connection right now in my Windows 11 operating system. So I have only connected to this Wi-Fi network, so I will be able to recover only the password of this network. But if you have ever connected to multiple passwords, then you can recover all of them also. So for this, what you need to do, you just need to click on the search icon here and then search for CMD or command prompt. And once the result shows, you just need to click on run as administrator. Okay, so run as administrator, which is going to open this command prompt here. Let me increase the font size of this so you will be able to see it in a better way. Let me just change it to the higher number. Now in the command prompt, you need to provide two commands. First command is this one. This is going to show you the list of all the networks you have ever connected to. And this command is simple. Just copy and paste this command in your terminal. I'm going to provide these commands in the description of this video also, so you can directly copy and paste them in your Windows operating system. Copy and right click and it will be pasted. So this command is netsh wlan show profile. Press enter. And it's going to show you all the networks you have ever connected to. You can see I have connected to this network and this network, right? So two networks. Now in order to recover the password of both these networks, what I need to do, I need to provide the second command, which is this one. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this command and then just right click on my command prompt, and this command will be pasted on my command prompt. And this command is netsh wlan export profile, and this is the folder where this file for the password will be created, and space key is equal to clear. Just press enter after giving this command and you will see this kind of response, and it says interface profile this network is saved to file this one. So if you have two networks here, then two files will be created. If you have 5 network here listed, then 5 files will be created. One file for each network. Now you can simply go to your folder explorer and then click on your C drive, because here the files are created. You can see this XML file and this XML file, right? So here you can see 2 files are created. Let's say I want to know the Wi-Fi password of this network. So I can just right click here and then I can click on open with, and I can open this XML file with WordPad or Google Chrome or any other application. I'm going to open it with WordPad. So I'm going to click on WordPad, which is going to open this kind of file, right? So here you will be able to see all the properties of your network. The one we are interested in is this property, which is key material, and whatever password is in between this key material element, this is your Wi-Fi password. So in this way you can find out the password you have connected to. So you have the XML file for each network you have ever connected to, and then you will be able to just click on that file and find the password of that network. So this is how you can find all the password of the Wi-Fi or networks you have connected to using command prompt. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.